to infinity and beyond.
Good evening, VV Nation, and welcome to our channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest, and that's right, to infinity and beyond. This is beyond the Magnificent Seven. How can you make the Magnificent Seven better? Well, I've got a couple of little tweaks that I think that you'll be interested in to make the Magnificent Seven even better. Let's get right into the program. Here is my watch list of the Magnificent Seven stocks. We have nvidia, we have Google, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, and Tesla. As we know, Tesla's been the big hurt on the Magnificent Seven. So what I did is I used the stock viewer, sorted the stock viewer by market capitalization. And I wanted to find the stocks that had the biggest market capitalization and look at those to see if I could get a better list of stocks in the Magnificent Seven. So if I scroll all the way over, these are sorted by VST, but look at these market capitalizations. Wow, these are big, heavily traded stocks with a lot of value. The only stock in here that's got market cap less than $1 trillion is Tesla. And Tesla, for the most part, has been hurting the Magnificent Seven stocks. So what could I do? Well, if I go down the list of looking at all of the stocks, and let's go to the stock viewer. From the stock viewer, we're going to scroll all the way over to the market cap. And I sorted the whole list of over 9,000 stocks by market cap. And with that, here's the stocks: Microsoft, Apple, nvidia, Amazon, Meta, Google, TSM. Lilly is my stock of honorable mention. We'll talk about that in a second. But look at that. Where is Tesla? Further down the list, still a big market cap stock, but further down the list. So I looked at the top 7 in here so I got Microsoft, Apple, nvidia, Amazon, Meta, Google, TSM now becomes what I call the massive mega 7. And Eli Lilly, especially with the GLP-1 stocks, is an honorable mention, a high market cap stock. So it becomes 8 stocks because I have Lilly in there. Then we have VGO, which is not in the list. Remember, I'm only looking at the top 7. We got Google in here twice. I took GOOGL. But then you also have stocks like Broadcom, JP Morgan. Tesla is after Avigo, or Broadcom and JP Morgan, and then Berkshire, and so on down the list. So now, what does my new Magnificent Seven look like? Let's go find it real quick. It looks like the Beyond my watch list is now, let me set this up, is now still nvidia. Nvidia is leading the way. Google, Meta, Amazon, TSM, Microsoft, Apple, and honorable mention, Eli Lilly. So a little tweak. I think that this combination of high market cap, which were already Magnificent Sevens, but now taking Tesla out of the list and replacing it with another higher market cap stock, I think is going to be gangbusters. And then we also have TSM and Eli Lilly again. That makes it 8. I'm still looking at it again as my massive mega 7, MM7 for short. If you like the name, type MM7 in comments. But it's my massive mega 7, which I think is going to tweak this enough to become a much better fulfilling list of stocks. So I'm going to go to the portfolios real quick. Magnificent 7 up 26% since January 2nd of 2024. Look at the equity curve. That's including Tesla. And I just started a new portfolio, which kicked off yesterday, of my new massive mega 7: Apple, Amazon, Google, Meta, Microsoft, nvidia, TSM. Eli Lilly, again, is an honorable mention. I still wanted to keep 7 stocks. Let's go back over to the Magnificent 7 one more time real quick. All of these stocks, with the exception of Apple and Tesla, have relative values above 1, relative safeties above 1. All of these stocks, for the most part, with the exception of Tesla, are fundamentally sound. Look at the earnings growth rate. Big, good earnings growth rate. Tesla was hurting the Magnificent 7. Now let's go look at the Beyond Magnificent 7. and look at the earnings growth rate. Now, no negatives. TSM and Apple are still single-digit earnings growth. I think slowly but surely they will continue to rise as far as that's concerned. But look at the honorable mention, Eli Lilly, double-digit earnings growth. So now, do you want to keep this as 7 as the massive mega 7, or you can go with the 8, and maybe we make a new name for the 8 because I think Eli Lilly is a good chance for the opportunity to be part of this group, especially based on market cap. Folks, this was a good short video. It was a little tweak in the Magnificent 7 to take it beyond the Magnificent 7 to make it better. NVIDIA is still leading it, but now NVIDIA needed a better supporting cast. TSM, Eli Lilly, I think are going to be 2 great additions to this list to make it a better list going forward, especially with everything that's going on with AI. Again, short to the point, but I think it's something that you guys needed to know. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya.